This video minute is sponsored by UMB Bank, your KDA endorsed solution for practice finance. Visit the KDA website to learn more. I'm Executive Director Kevin Robertson, and this is the KDA Video Minute for Friday, May 3rd. First thing I want to talk about today is the KDA Summer Getaway, which is coming up June 6th through the 8th in Chicago. Now that's our annual CE event, and I guess we'll call it a CE and fun event. So we have a special option that we're going to be doing that we've just decided to do. The Council on Annual Sessions and Events has approved having a sort of a buy one, get one free. So with every dentist registration, you receive a free staff registration. So that's a great savings to you. Hopefully that'll provide enough incentive for you and a staff member to attend. Remind everyone that it will be at the AC Hotel, the AC by Marriott Hotel on Rush Street, right by Michigan Avenue, and of course the whole entertainment area around Rush Street. So we have a great activities planned, and we hope that we'll be able to see you June 6th through the 8th at the KDA Summer Getaway. So just 1 week ago today, we were in Pittsburg, Kansas, doing KMOM Pittsburg. So we provided care in our 18th Kansas Mission Mercy event through the Kansas Dental Charitable Foundation. Provided care to 750 patients down in Pittsburg and provided about $1.1 million in care. So there's a lot of people to thank. I want to thank Dr. Gina Pinamonte, who coordinated the local group of folks that helped us put that on. Also want to thank Delta Dental of Kansas for providing an ongoing grant to KMOM, Blue Cross and Blue Shield Foundation, who has provided us with a grant for the last several years as well. Also, Pittsburg State University, as we were in the Weed Center down there, they actually provided those facilities free of charge. The Scubitz Foundation, and just many others. We'll provide a list of the major sponsors here so you can see those. But really want to thank all the people that made the Kansas Mission and Mercy possible. Also want to thank all the dentists, for that matter, the general volunteers that came out and really made it work. Now, you may have noticed 750 patients is probably our smallest KMOM that we've ever done. I will tell you that the clinic was a little bit smaller. We had a fewer number of dentist volunteers. But having said that, we treated everyone that was in line. So we didn't cut off the line and send a lot of people home. Everyone that was in line was treated, and so we were very pleased that we were able to take care of the folks in Pittsburgh that needed our care. Also, while we were down in Pittsburgh for KMOM, this is the third year that we've presented the Bruce Bergstrom Award for Outstanding Volunteer Service. That goes to a general volunteer, not a dentist or a dental hygienist, a general volunteer that has helped us to make the KMOM so successful. So this year we presented that award to Casey Burns. Casey has worked now for 17 KMOMs, helping us in central supply, rounding up supplies, making those available to our dentists that are there. So we're very pleased to award that to Casey. Casey is wrapping up his career, if you will, with KMOM and has handed that over to a new lead that will handle central supply. So we're very pleased and thankful for all the hard work that Casey's provided to KMOM, and happy to present him with that Outstanding Service Award. Just briefly, as we kind of wrap up today, I want you to know that right at the end of the legislative session, we were successful in getting some legislation passed that changes the laws with regard to association health plans. So federally that had happened, now that's happened in Kansas. So we are back in negotiations with Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Kansas to put together a fully insured health plan for our members in their offices. So we're working towards that. We have, there's still a lot to be done. We're hoping that we'll be able to get that online by January 1 of 2020. A lot to be done, and we'll need some input from you all, maybe answering survey questions and things like that, so we can help us with the plan design of that particular product. Also, June 1, we'll be rolling out our new dentist supply company endorsement. That takes over from our association gloves program that we have endorsed now for the last 3 years. We have done some invoice matches. Some of our dentist officers, as well as members of our council member benefits, provide some invoices that they were able to cost compare, and we're seeing a 12 to 18% like item to like item cost savings. So something to pay attention to and be involved in. They will also cost match for your invoices when we start rolling that out, so pay attention to that. And we look forward to working with you on any endorsed programs that the KDA may offer. Finally, I want to wrap that right now the veto session in the legislature is going on. You surely heard that at this point Medicaid expansion has been rejected. They're working on a tax package today. There is some hope that today or tomorrow they might adjourn, and so we'll keep you informed as to things that are going on at the end of the legislative session. So thank you for listening today, and we'll wrap this session of the KDA Video Minute.